Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Snapchat quality on Android. So if you want to fix the Snapchat quality on Android, what you need is, for that case, open up your Play Store on the search box, type in that. And next, what you need is tap on the search bar and you simply want to make sure to type in Snapchat. So when you locate Snapchat, you want to make sure that the application is completely up to date. Sometimes outdated version can also hamper. So you might want to make sure to update your application regularly. And apart from it, what you could also do is try cleaning the lens or your device's camera lenses. That could be able to fix. Apart from it, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to make sure to locate Snapchat and long press to it, go to the app info icon, and after you go to the app info icon, come to this permission section or just go to the storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. This might be able to help. And next, you also want to make sure to restart the device, and that is going to help you fix the Snapchat camera quality on Android. So these are some steps that you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.